Hello children, welcome back to your social class. I am your social teacher Aisha. Children, in previous class we completed with Mumbai. So in this class we are going to start with the next metropolitan city, that is Chennai. So you all know where is Chennai located. Chennai located in the southern part of our country. Right? Chennai is located on the southern part of our country. Okay, Chennai is also called as city of temples, children, because we find many and lot of temples in Chennai. So, if you go for Chennai history, Chennai is also called as Madras. Previously, before we called it as Chennai, it was called as Madras. Okay, and Chennai is the gateway to the south. Now, if you want to enter to the house, we have to pass from the gates. Right. Same way, if we have to enter to the south, we have to pass the Chennai, from the Chennai, and Chennai is known as the gateway to the south. Okay, so Chennai is in Tamil Nadu and it is for the gateway to the south. Now, if we come for the location, Chennai is located in the southeast coast of India. Here, this is our southern part. Here, north, south, west, east. So Chennai is located here. Chennai is located near southern east coast of India, and it faces Bay of Bengal. Here we have Arabian Sea. Here we have Bay of Bengal. So Chennai faces to the Bay of Bengal. This way. Here we have Bay of Bengal. So Chennai faces to the Bay of Bengal. Then in Chennai there are the old cities. Okay. So now Chennai has two major parts, children. One is Old City. Okay, Old City. Old City has passes from the Georgetown. There is one part of the Georgetown. Okay, the Old City. So Chennai is divided into two parts. Okay, Chennai is divided into two parts. Okay, Old City. Okay, Chennai divided into two parts. Old City. Old City is named as Georgetown. Okay, this Georgetown has two parts. One is north part and south part. Okay, this old city Georgetown has two parts. One is north part and another is south part. And what divides this part is Anna Salai Road. Okay, north part and south part are here. This Anna Salai Road will divide it. Okay, this is like a border for them. For north part and south part, this Anna Salai is a border. Okay. So Chennai is 17 kilometers long, and what are the two rivers running in Chennai that flows in Chennai is Adiyar and Kuam. Adiyar and Kuam are the two rivers that flows in Chennai. Okay, I hope you have understood this, children. Chennai earlier name was Madras. It was known as to the gateway to the south. Okay, then it is located in the Tamil Nadu. It is the city of Tamil Nadu. Location of Chennai is located in the southeast coast of India and faces Bay of Bengal. Chennai is divided into two parts. There is Old City. It is also named as Georgetown. This Georgetown, they have divided into two parts. That is north part and south part. What divides this north part and south part is Anna Salai main road. This Anna Salai main road divides the north part and south part. Okay. Then it is 17 kilometers long, as well as two rivers which flow is Chennai is Adiyar and Kuam. Then, if we come for the climate of Chennai, Chennai's climate is very warm, children. Okay, people whole throughout the year they wear cotton clothes. Okay, it is very warm. They get the pleasant sea breezes. Okay, they get the pleasant sea breezes because it is next to the because it is next to the Bay of Bengal. So they get all pleasant sea breezes, which will make the climate to be cool. Okay, then Chennai, there is a heavy rainfall in winter than in summer. Okay, here we will get in summer also rainfall, right? But rainy season will continuously get rainfall. But in summer also we have found that we will get the rains. Same way, in Chennai, rather than in summer, we will get winter, rainfall in winters. Okay, simple is Chennai's climate is very warm climate. People prefer to wear cotton clothes throughout the year. Sea breezes, they get the pleasant sea breezes, and rainfall in the winter than in summer. Okay. Then if we come for the government, Tamil Nadu state government take care of the welfare of the people. Okay, Tamil Nadu state government. What are the officers are there in Tamil Nadu state is governor office we have, chief minister, others minister. Okay, the general office of Tamil Nadu is located in the Chennai. Okay, and complete welfare of this it is taken by the Chennai Municipal Corporation. Like how we have Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, same way Chennai Municipal Corporation will take care of the welfare of the people over there. Okay, then if you come from culture, food and clothes, people of Chennai are called as Chennaites. People of Chennai are called as Chennaites. Okay, they are very good in and their hobby are very keen in learning music, art and culture. One of the famous dance we all know, Bharatanatyam. Okay, it is also from, it is famous in Chennai. Okay, dance with Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music, traditional music called Carnatic music is also very popular there. Bharatanatyam is very popular, Carnatic music is very popular. Okay, it's traditional music. And what men like to wear is, men like to wear veshti and shirt. Okay, men like to wear veshti and shirt and women like to wear sarees and blouse. And children will wear pavadai. Okay, so this was about the climate, government and culture. Climate is warm climate, people prefer to wear cotton clothes and there is a heavy rainfall in winter than in summer. And if you come for the government offices, Tamil Nadu state government, all the offices are located in Chennai itself. Okay, main offices like other ministers, CM and governor, there is that in Chennai. And complete welfare is taken care by the Chennai Municipal Corporation. Then culture, food and tourism, people are known for Chennaites. Okay, then music, art and culture is very famous there. Bharatanatyam dance, which is very popular dance. Then Carnatic traditional music, which is known as Carnatic music. And people, it's very famous over there. Then people like, men like to wear veshti and shirt, saree and blouse. Women like to wear saree and blouse, and children like to wear pavadai. Okay, if you see your textbook, here you can see children. See here, a girl is wearing pavadai, this is wearing pavadai, veshti, shirt, saree and blouse. Okay, then Tamil Nadu is the main language spoken over there, and people will speak English also over there. Okay, Tamil Nadu is the main language and people will speak English also. Then, if we come for the food, what kind of food Tamil Nadu people like, Tamilians or Tamilians like to eat is rice is a staple food. Okay, rice is a staple food over there. Along with rice, they like to have rasam or sambar as well. And other more popular dishes are idli, dosa and upma. Okay, so what are the staple food is rice. Apart from rice, they like to eat along with rice, they like to eat rasam, sambar as well. And apart from rice, they have idli, dosa and upma. Okay, this was the food of Chennai people. Okay children, in last we have food we have done. Now we are going to start with the festivals. So what are the festivals that are celebrated in Chennai? Festivals are celebrated in Chennai. First of all, Chennai celebrates all the festivals, but two main festivals that is celebrated in Chennai is Pongal and Christmas. Pongal is the harvest festival, children. Okay, Pongal is the harvest festival which is celebrated for the 3 days. Okay, Pongal is the harvest festival which is celebrated for 3 days, and on second day bullfighting takes place. Okay, all over the people of Tamil Nadu, they come to see the bullfighting. Okay, bullfighting takes place on the second day. Okay, and this Pongal falls on the month of January. First of all, what is a harvest festival, children? Harvest festival means crops will grow, right? They will take the crops out. We need food, right? So they will take the crops out. When the crops, they take the crops out, they will celebrate a festival. That is known as harvest festival. Okay. So two famous festivals is Pongal and Christmas. Pongal is celebrated for the 3 days, and on the second day, bullfighting takes place. Okay, and it falls in the month. Pongal falls in the month of January. You know, Christmas comes on 21st December. Okay, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Now, what are the industries we can see in Chennai? First of all, we have cotton industries over there. Okay, Chennai is famous for the cotton textiles. Other important industries, what we have automobile, we have paint industries, we have glass, we have leather goods, and automobile means big companies like Hyundai, Ford, BMW, Nissan and Daimler. These are the automobiles company located in Chennai. Okay, they are production units, means they start to make their production over there. Then we have railway coaches which are manufactured in Perambur. We have tanks which are manufactured in Avadi, and Chennai is famous for information technology, that is IT, and medical tourism. Okay, and you have heard about the film cities of Chennai also. What is the film city in Chennai known as Kollywood? Actually, they have written it Tollywood, children. So scratch it and make it as a Kollywood. K-O-L-L-Y-W-O-D, Kollywood. Okay, and MGR studio is Memorial Studio is very famous over there for the film industries. Okay, so I repeat, if we go for industries, Chennai is known for good cotton textiles and other important industries including automobile, paint, glass, leather industries, and automobiles like Hyundai, Nissan, Daimler and BMW have set up their production units over there. They start to make the cars over there. Okay, and railway coaches are manufactured in Perambur. Our tanks are manufactured, army tanks are manufactured in Avadi, and IT, information technology. Okay, very famous center. It has a famous center of information technology, IT, and medical tourism also. Because it is set up for the medical tourism also. Another fast growing is medical tourism in Chennai. Medical, about the health. Okay. Then we have Kollywood. Obviously, city. We have heard about many films from Chennai also. Film industry. That film industry is Kollywood over there. Okay. MGR Film City is an important film city, and hundreds of films will be produced. All films are made in Chennai, Kollywood. Okay. Then if we come for transport, children. If we come for transport, Chennai is famous for the roadways, airways and airways. Okay, Chennai is famous for the roadways, airways and railways, which is connected to all over India. Okay, from roadways, railways and airways we can go to the Chennai. But if you want to go for other countries, so Anna International Airport is there. Anna International Airport, we can travel to the other countries, like how we have right airports. Okay, same way other airports also. We have Anna International Airport in Chennai, which you can travel as international also as domestic also. Okay, then it has an important seaport. Okay, it has also an important seaport, which is also an artificial harbour. Now, if any goods are coming from the other country, so it has to, if it's coming from the sea, so they have a seaport over there. It's an artificial sea harbour, so they can take the goods from the ships also, seaports also. Then what are the places of tourists we have in Chennai? We have Marina Beach, we have BGA Golden Beach. Okay, you know Marina Beach is very popular over there. You can find many of the people in the Marina Beach. They'll come to stay there, or they'll come to visit for Marina Beach. Then we have BGA Golden Beach. Okay, BGA Golden Beach. Okay, this Golden Beach is very popular among the children because they have a lot of rides over there, like how we have amusement park, no? Same way, this Golden Beach has very fun for the rides for the children. Okay. Then apart from that, we have Elliot and Covilong Bridge. Apart from this EGB, we have Elliot and Covilong Beach. Okay. Then we have Aridnagar Anna Zoological Park, which has more than 170 species in mammals. Okay, Aridnagar Anna Zoological Park is the biggest in the Southeast Asia. Aridnagar Anna Zoological Park is the biggest park in Southeast Asia, which has more than 170 species of mammal. Okay, we have different kinds of species and animals, children. So that park has more than 170 species of mammals. Okay. And many types of reptiles also, birds and reptiles also found here. So we can find many reptiles and many birds in the Aridnagar Anna Zoological Park. Like how we have Bannerghatta National Park, same way Aridnagar Zoological Park. Okay, I'll just give a quick recap of festivals. Pongal is celebrated there. Pongal is an important festival. Pongal and Christmas. Pongal celebrates for 3 days. Okay, second day bullfighting takes place and it is done in the month of January. We have different industries over there, cotton, textile, paint, leather goods, everything we have. And railway coaches are manufactured in Perambur. Tanks are manufactured in Avadi. It is famous for IT and medical industries and for the Kollywood also for industries. Then we have transport. We have connected with roadways, railways, and airways for the Chennai. And we have Anna International Airport in Chennai, as well as seaport also we have. This is an artificial harbour. Then we have what are the places we have in the Chennai is, we have Marina Golden Beach, we have VGA Golden Beach. Marina Golden Beach is the longest beach because we find many of the people there to visit beach, and VGA Golden Beach is the second longest beach because we have lot of toys for the children. And Elliot and Kowloon Beach also can find in Chennai. Then we have Alaknanda Zoological Park, National Park, where you can find lot of species of mammals, birds and animals over there. Okay, this was a short and sweet chapter about Chennai. Okay, now we will start with the exercises part. Please take out your textbook, children. Okay. Then children, one more thing, they have a city is famous for beautiful temples with stone carvings. So they have beautiful temples also. The two temples are Parthasarathi and Kapileshwar temple. Okay, the two famous temples are Parthasarathi and Kapileshwar temple, which has stone carvings over there. And Mahabalipuram near Chennai is known for rock cut temples. Mahabalipuram is also a city, okay, it is also a town near Chennai, which is famous for rock cut temples. On the rocks they have cut the idols of the god and goddesses, which is famous, okay. Then other places of tourist interest are St. George Fort, Santam Basilica, Chennai Art Gallery and Snake Park. The amusement parks which are there is, first one is Kishkinda, Dash and Splash, Dolphin City. Like we have here Wonderla, National this and Fun World, the same way, Fun World, whatever, don't know, same way they have Kishkinda, Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. The famous Mount Road has several emporiums. Okay, so there is a famous Mount Road which has several emporiums over there. Indian silk sarees are Kanchipuram are available at prominent places like Mylapore and Pondi Bazar at T. Nagar. So, you know, Tamil Nadu is famous for Kanchipuram sarees, silk sarees. So it is also it's famous there, and prominent market means very stable and market are Mylapore and Pondi Bazar at T. Nagar. Okay, so this was completely about the tourist places of Chennai. Now we will start with the exercises part. Tick the correct option. Chennai is the capital of option option B, Tamil Nadu. Second, Chennai receives more rainfall during winter, option A. The main food of people of Chennai is rice, option A. Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast of Bay of Bengal, option B. Fifth, the main language of Chennai is option B, Tamil. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It was earlier known as Madras. Second, Chennai is located on the southeast coast of India called Coromandel coast. Third, people of Chennai are called as Chennaites. On the traditional dress of men is veshti and shirt. Fifth, on the second day of Pongal Dash takes place, bullfighting takes place. Railway coaches for the Indian Railways are manufactured in Perambur. Okay children, this was only just two exercises. Fill in the blanks as well as tick the correct option. Okay, so I have completed Chennai. Go through the textbook, it's very short chapter. Nothing more to read in this. Okay, just go. Any doubts, let me know in our interactive session. Bye bye children, take care.